Hello and welcome to this episode, everyone. In this episode, we want to answer this question. Is even ones and zeros useful? How do we even represent data in ones and zeros? And how do we even transmit useful information in ones and zeros? So let me give you an example. In this scenario, I have a switch which has two states, the on state of the switch and the off state of the switch. And I have a lamp which has two states, the on state of the lamp and the off state of the lamp. So, because both of these devices, they have the capacity of about 1 bit, then they can communicate with each other. If this switch turns on, the lamp will turn on, and this switch turns off, and the lamp will turn off. This is about 1 bit of information going back and forth between these two devices. What will happen if we need more information to be transmitted, something more complex, letters, numbers, voice, and something like that? Today's computers are very complex machines, and definitely they would need more than just ones and zeros. That's why I'm taking you to another scenario where we have a traffic light. In the traffic light scenario, we have the traffic light. It could be completely turned off. It could have its red light on, or its yellow light on, or its green light on. So basically it has 4 states. And then we have a controller here. This controller, to be able to control the traffic light, it should have at least 2 bits. It should be able to process 2 bits, and it should also be able to transmit 2 bits over this medium to the light. So using 2 bits of information, we can represent 4 states. 0, 0 will represent off, 0, 1 represent red, 1, 0 will represent yellow, and 1, 1 will represent green. And once any of these states or any of this information or any of this data is transmitted over this connection to the light will take action based on the signal. And that is how we represent more complex data using more bits, using more memory, and using more space for the ones and zeros. The more ones and zeros that we have, suppose that we have 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1, something like this, which could be quite long. The more lengthy is the size of these ones and zeros, the more complex data we can represent. And that is how exactly our modern computers work in today's world. I hope this has been informative for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.